What is cryptocurrency? So, let's start with the fundamental question: what is cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. What makes it different from traditional money is that it operates decentralized, meaning there's no central bank or government overseeing it. Instead, cryptocurrencies are powered by blockchain technology, which is a secure, distributed ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. Now, this decentralization is crucial because it means no middleman like a bank or government controls your transactions. This opens up a whole new world of financial freedom, security, and, of course, privacy. You can send and receive money directly between individuals anywhere in the world without needing approval from any centralized authority. How does cryptocurrency work? Cryptocurrency transactions happen through a peer-to-peer network, and the process is transparent and secure. When you make a transaction, it's verified by a network of computers called nodes, and it's recorded on a digital ledger, which is the blockchain. To protect these transactions, cryptocurrencies rely on cryptography mathematical algorithms that ensure the data is tamper-proof and secure. This makes it really difficult for anyone to alter the transaction history, providing a very high level of trust and security.